Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a little bit, but I'm back and I brought you guys this natural look. If you would like to see how I create it, then please continue to watch. To start off, I will be adding the Hoola Benefit and the Tarte Amazonian Clay Bronzer to my eyes, just to give it some definition and some shimmer to it as well. And both of the brushes that I'm using are from Morphe. After that, I will be adding some mascara. Today I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Just to give my eyes a better look, I will be adding some falsies. Okay, the next step is to prime. I use the Makeup Forever Step 1 and the oil Henriksen Balance. Please someone tell me in the comments how you say that. It's so difficult for me to say it, but that one is also a oil control, and I like adding these when I'm not doing too much of a full coverage foundation. My foundation for today is going to be the Maybelline Fit Me and the shade 220. Yes, for everyone that is wondering, I love this foundation, which is why I always wear it. But I am looking for new foundation. So if you have any foundations you would like me to try, let me know in the comments down below. But for now, I'm using it. I love it. I love it. And also I will be using a damp beauty blender to blend out all my foundation. I'm not using it all because it is a natural makeup. And just to cover my dark circles, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20. And also brighten up my forehead, my nose, and some area, my Cupid's bow and my chin. To lightly bake my under eyes, I will be using the Airspun nose powder. Using a big fluffy brush from Sephora collection, I will go ahead and add powder to the rest of my face. That way I can add some bronzer and blush. To bronze my face just a bit, I will be using both of the bronzers that I use on my eyelids just to add some color to my face. And for blush, I will be using the Tarte blush in the shade Party. Just to add some nice shimmer to my face, I will be using the BAAACK Cosmetics Champagne Pop Highlighter using a fan brush from the same collection of brushes from Sephora. And I like to add it in my highest points of my face, so that way, since we're not using a lot of makeup, the natural glow will help the highlighter out and you'll be looking so healthy and glowy and just overall beautiful. And that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this really soft, natural look, especially now that it's gonna get really hot. The summer's coming. This would be a perfect makeup just to rock to work or just to go out to run some errands. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see each other in the next video. Bye.